Do you want to grow potatoes at home but don't have enough space? Good news. Today I'll show you how to grow a large amount of potatoes using only a simple grow bag or sack. It's easy, low cost, and perfect for rooftops, balconies, or small gardens. First, take a strong jute bag or plastic grow bag with good drainage holes at the bottom. Fill the bottom with a 4 to 5-inch layer of loose soil. The soil mix should be 50% normal soil, 30% compost, and 20% sand or coco peat. This loose mixture helps potatoes form and grow easily. Now take healthy seed potatoes with small eyes or buds. Cut large potatoes into two pieces but keep the eyes intact. Let them dry for 8 to 10 hours to prevent rotting. When the cut surface becomes dry, they are ready for planting. Place 2 to 3 seed potatoes on the soil in the bag, keeping the buds facing upward. Cover them with another 3 to 4 inches of soil. Water gently until the soil becomes moist but not muddy. Place the bag in a sunny area, and potatoes need at least 5 hours of sunlight daily. After 10 to 12 days, small green shoots will appear. When they grow about 6 inches tall, add more soil around the stems. This process is called hilling. Repeat this 2 to 3 times as the plant grows. More hilling means more potatoes will form inside the bag. Water the plant 2 to 3 times a week. Keep the soil moist but never waterlogged. You can give a light fertilizer once every 15 days, such as compost tea, mustard cake liquid, or any organic booster. This helps the plant grow stronger and produce more potatoes. After 70 to 90 days, the leaves will start turning yellow. This means your potatoes are ready for harvest. Simply open the bag and collect your fresh, homegrown potatoes. It's simple, clean, and extremely satisfying. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy gardening tips. See you in the next video.